set eyes on the front, you can feel its raw power and classic aggression. The wide grille commands attention, flanked by sharp headlights that seem to glare ahead with confidence. The hood is sculpted with bold lines, breathing strength into its design, while the low-sitting bumper adds to its menacing road stance. Every detail up front tells you this car is built for both style and performance, a blend of classic muscle DNA with modern refinement. Moving toward the back, the iconic design continues. The taillights with their distinctive vertical bars shine brightly, making it instantly recognizable as a Mustang-inspired luxury. The rear bumper sits broad and muscular, housing a powerful dual exhaust system that promises a growl when the engine comes to life. The spoiler adds not only to the look, but also to the aerodynamics, balancing style with performance on open roads. This rear view leaves no doubt. It's a machine that blends history with innovation. Shifting to the right side, the long, flowing body line is unmistakable. The coupe-style roof gently slopes toward the rear, creating that fastback silhouette fans have admired for generations. The pronounced wheel arches frame large, performance tires that grip the road with authority. Chrome touches around the windows and the side mirrors add elegance, while the sculpted doors hint at speed and motion even when the car is parked. The stance is wide and low, staying true to the muscular heritage. Inside, the dashboard greets you with a perfect balance of retro charm and modern technology. Analog-inspired dials sit beside digital screens, giving drivers both classic appeal and advanced features. The leather-wrapped steering wheel, stamped with a bold emblem, feels solid and ready to control the beast under the hood. The center console is sleek yet practical, featuring infotainment controls and air vents shaped to match the car's strong character. The front seats are crafted for comfort and performance, bolstered to hold you tight during high-speed maneuvers. Leather upholstery with contrast stitching adds a premium feel, while adjustable controls make long drives enjoyable. Moving to the back seats, the space is compact but comfortable, ideal for short trips with passengers, maintaining the coupe's sporty proportions. The rear also continues the high-quality materials, showing attention to detail throughout the cabin. Finally, under the hood is where the true magic lies. The engine bay houses a roaring powerhouse, a V8 that delivers heart-pounding performance. Polished components and clean layout highlight the craftsmanship, while every bolt and cover is positioned with purpose. The sound, the feel, and the response of this engine are what make it the soul of a muscle car. From front to back, inside and out, this Ford Mustang-style machine captures the essence of raw power, timeless design, and driving excitement.